dear friends, we are going to discuss the introduction about the grinding machine in this session. The objective of this session is that student will able to learn how the grinding machine is working. So basic of the grinding machine we are going to discuss in this session. Next, that student will able to understand that how grinding machine can be correlated with the other machine tools like lathe, milling, drilling, shaper, etc. And the last, student will able to know that what are the application area of the grinding machine. So grinding machine is the one kind of machine tool. Now machining is the operation in which we are removing the excess material, and the machines on which we are performing this machining operations is referred as a machine tools. Lathe, milling, drilling are the one type of machine tool. So for every machine tool there are three things are there which are correlated in such a way that we can able to understand all the machine tools with a same reference. So like lathe is the machine in which a workpiece is rotating and the tool is stationary and single point cutting tool. Same way milling machine is the one type of machine tool in which workpiece is stationary and the tool is rotating, which is in the multi-point cutting tool. Same way in the grinding machine we have the machine which is there in which we are going to remove the very small amount of material from the workpiece, and that workpiece might be a stationary, reciprocating or rotating. And we have the grinding wheel which is in terms of the tool. So tool is here grinding wheel. So grinding is one kind of machine tool. So in the grinding basically we are using the abrasive wheel. This abrasive wheel basically rotating against the workpiece, and we are removing the very small amount of material. And grinding is basically preferred to get the final finished work. So if we are interested for high accuracy, we can go for precision grinding, and if we are not interested for the surface finish and the accurate dimension, we can go for rough grinding. And in the precision grinding we are removing the very small amount of material from the workpiece. Here the material which can be removed is up to 0.5 mm. So between the 0.25 mm to 0.5 mm we are removing the material with the accuracy of the 0.2 micron. Now let us look at the schematic diagram of the grinding machine. Here this is the one kind of surface grinding machine. Here based on the definition of the machine tool we have the workpiece. Now this is the workpiece which is mounted on this table. We have the grinding wheel, that is one type of tool. Now this tool is rotating and this workpiece is mounted on this table which is reciprocating, and when this grinding wheel is allowed to force on this surface, this whatever the different abrasive particles through which this grinding wheel is prepared will going to remove the excess material from the surface of this workpiece. So basic is that tool is here in the form of grinding wheel, and the workpiece here it is a flat surface and it is a reciprocating. Now depend upon in what direction or on the which size, which part of the material we are going to remove, we can give the different feed. If we are interested to remove the material in this width direction, we can give this transverse feed. Same way if we are interested to remove the excess material from this height of the specimen, we are giving the feed to this geometry, give this feed to this D. Yeah, we can able to give the feed in this down feed. So this is about the basic schematic diagram of the grinding machine. Next we are going to discuss about the analogy and the applications area of the grinding in the next video.